Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, we are channeling Cogumelo from Grow a Garden and serving up earthy, charm, forest, whimsy, and whole lot slay using this look. And let me show you how you can create this look in DTI. So first you can start with the skin tone. So for the skin tone, I'm using this pale color in here on the top right corner of the color palette in DTI. And now let's just make the mushroom first. Here I'm going to put on this fur hat and change the color using these polka patterns, and now just use the adjustment feature. So for the adjustment here, you can change the positions, the Y into 27 and adjust the scale to 1. So it will become big like this. And a second item that you need to put on is this hat. Use the same patterns and now use the adjustment again, scale 1, and the position in here, lower the Y into 35. Okay, so you get this big mushroom. And here I'm going to put on this sun hat and change the color the same with your skin tone. Sorry. And again, use the adjustment, lower the Y in position to 0 and scale, load it into around 19. Now you can just go to the dressing room in here and put on this dress from the currency item and change all of the color the same with the skin tone that you are using. And the last item that you need to put on is the shoe. In here I'm going to just wear this color in the shoe and change the color the same. So for the shoe, actually you can just use any shoe that you prefer. So this is the Cogumelo look in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.